We should play Ashwin today and he'll be very successful.
Okay.
And Ahmedabad pitch, will also facilitate Jadeja, and he should also do good for India today.
Today is the finals. How excited are you, sir?
We are very excited, and having not lost any match, we should win the match today.
Yeah.
Yeah, India are playing very good matches. The World Cup overall, they played very good matches. They have a lot of experience against New Zealand. Their tough match was there. Today is a very easy match against Australia. Why means last match they played with Australia, India played very good. Spinners, they do something miracle for us. We get the World Cup back to India. Again, not like before, like 2003 when the Ganguly was there, we are very disappointed that time. This time Rohit Sharma will get the cup. We are very happy on that.
Yes, sir.
इंडिया जो फॉर्म में है आज, जो मतलब इतने सालों से जो आज फॉर्म में है, वो तो वर्ल्ड कप उन्हीं का है. 100% वर्ल्ड कप लेकर आएंगे हम.
See, we have the most balanced batting and bowling team. Not one person has contributed, all have contributed. So it's not dependent on one individual player. We have all 11 players playing well, all are at top performance. So I don't think so we'll lose this game. Australia might lose for sure.
So cricket is the team, the Indian team is the best nation all over the world. And I'm sure, being an Indian, I'm proud to be an Indian. And the cup is only ours. That's it. All the best, Indian cricket.
इंडिया अच्छा खेलता है. ये बार वर्ल्ड कप लेके आएगा तो बहुत हमको अच्छा लगेगा, खुशी होगा. ऐसे ही हमको बहुत खुशी है. इंडिया का आदमी बहुत खुशी है.
Well, cricket is a religion here in India. You can see all our areas decked up with lights and all of that. So we're really expecting the World Cup this time, and we know our boys have got it. We know our Karnataka player has got it. So that's it.
Definitely we are going to win. All the matches were won by India, so there's no doubt about it. And I think Virat will not disappoint our Indians. Thank you.
India! Get the World Cup! India! Bharat Mata ki!